everybody.
We're at the Cracker Barrel. Now, if you're in the South at all, you know the Cracker Barrel. I think they've kind of gotten a lot. I'm going to read a little bit here and cheat a little bit. In 1969, a Tennessee man named Dan Evans saw an unmet need. The interstate was expanding and connecting people to new places. But people on the move couldn't count on a consistent quality place to shop along the way, to stretch their legs and refuel, to get good meals at a fair price. Evans had a vision to build an old country store to meet their needs, a place that preserved the ingredients of country life to share with travelers on the road and families nearby. So I definitely agree with that. I don't have my glasses on, so it's hard for me to read. If you've never been here, they do a lot of
home cooking.
They have fantastic biscuits. That's kind of what they're famous for.
That's what I'm looking forward to.
But they have a little store inside. It's got a lot of really cute little clothes, and it's regional. So like here, close to
toys and candy and drinks and
yes, and we'll kind of do a walkthrough. They have toys. You walk through, and there's like we're close to Memphis, so there's Memphis and Tennessee stuff. And then if you're like in Florida, they have Florida and college stuff. There's a lot of good stuff in here. So it's a fun quick stop, and we're gonna do breakfast.
What are you thinking about ordering?
Think about ordering? Breakfast. I always order breakfast.
I really like their pancakes, but I put pecans in them. I may get pecan pancakes. I don't know.
I do. So.
Maybe hash brown?
Hash brown casserole.
We're starving, so like we're going to order it all.
We'll see what we're going to do. So.
All right. The girls are with us. They're just shopping.
Yeah. All right.
Can't tear them away. All right. We'll show you the inside.
All right. Some of that brown bean juice, hot bean juice. So, personality juice.
Water. That's pretty.
It's good. I have to say that the biscuits are the best part. They're salty. Whatever the guy got going on in there, so good. Here come our beignets. Here. Beignets, so excited.
Awesome. Thank you.
That's it. Yep. Thank you.
I am. Get you eating it.
I will say that they are not as powdery.
You put the whole thing in there? I think you're not supposed to do that.
Couldn't be undone by her.
You like it? I want to try one.
It's not.
Do I need the syrup?
Yeah. I mean, it's not New Orleans Café du Monde. No. No, you're gonna wait.
I like the beignets.
They're alright. They're not Café du Monde. They
No.
need more powdered sugar. They should be like.
Yeah, they
soaked.
need to be in a bag that you can shake them up.
Yeah, getting sugar.
All right, that looks good. And tater tot?
Yes.
Hash brown tater tot. I think it's got their hash brown casserole.
Oh,
You
yeah.
got
No, they're hot.
Have you tried it yet?
No, they're hot.
All right. All right, Dad, what'd you get?
I got 2 sunny side up eggs, hash brown casserole, bacon, and a tomato from this kid.
Oh, you got a tomato from her?
Yeah.
All right.
You're missing that
Okay.
over there, which is
What you got over here, Emma?
I've got pancakes, sunny side up, and bacon.
pink.
Sunny side egg. Bacon. All right, I got something off the lunch menu. I didn't get breakfast because I don't like breakfast. I got it's fried chicken on top of mac and cheese, and it's supposed to have this buffalo ranch sauce drizzled over it, but I'm not a fan of buffalo ranch, so I'm going to add it later. But you do add tomatoes and stuff to it to kind of help it out. That looks pretty good. All right. I think everybody is quiet because they're eating now.
Hot sauce taco.
Oh, you got hot sauce?
I asked for Cholula and she gave me Tabasco, but they're both.
You can
good.
try my buffalo ranch if you want it. You gonna be able to eat all of that? What's the name of the meal you got?
Mama something.
I think it was the grandma.
Mama's breakfast. It's Mama's breakfast. All right, so this is how Emma eats her sunny side egg. It's a science.
See if she can do it.
Can she do it without it breaking? She usually uses a spoon. All the way in. Oh,
Broke, it never breaks.
Aww. All right, Dad is up for the egg challenge. His got hot sauce on it. I don't think he's gonna make it. Oh, he did. He made it. No spill.
I'm the champion.
Oh, he took your title.
You're not.
World champion, the first.
What was that? What do you think, Tate? Who won? You don't know?
I wasn't paying attention.
Staring into people again.
Love you, kid.
Thing on here. What?
All right, here is the damage from, I guess we call it brunch, maybe. We
Yeah.
started at breakfast time and we've ended at lunch.
Everybody had breakfast with you.
All right, we got beignets, $4.99. Dad got old timers, $8.99. Water. Emma got Mama's breakfast for $8.99. She got tea. Buffalo Ranch mac and cheese was $10.99. I think I was the winner with the most expensive. Sorry, guys. Strawberry lemonade for Elsie. And Emma Sunrise Special for Elsie, egg sandwich. And the total was $54.56. Not bad. Not bad for brunch, breakfast and lunch. So, and neat thing they have here, you can scan your check and pay at the table. So I don't know if we're going to do that, but we'll try.
There is some bus and RV parking here, which is nice. Lots of parking. I mean, tons and tons and tons and tons of parking. Don't know. They might not let you fill up with a little bit of water over here. If you asked them real nice. Probably should have asked inside. And you have
All right, we are finishing up. We just finished up brunch at Cracker Barrel. Girls, what did y'all think?
Mine was really good. I had like the egg sandwich, and it all worked really good together. I think if I did it again though, I'd probably get like a sunny side up egg with a different side.
Did you add bacon to it? No? Okay.
But you had the hash brown tater tots, which I don't think you liked, right?
Well, they were good. I just couldn't sit there and eat them.
I hate that I didn't try that. Did we have leftovers?
We did.
That was the thing. We had so much leftovers. Like, we're going to have dinner tonight from it. I had
a lot of starch.
I had the Buffalo Ranch mac and cheese. The chicken was good, but the mac and cheese, I don't know. It's the noodles are too cooked. Like, I like them to be not so soggy, I guess.
Al dente? Is that what it is?
I don't know, but they were too soggy. So.
Right. I had a simple breakfast: 2 sunny side up eggs, hash brown casserole, and bacon, and a cup of coffee, and it was good. And biscuits, of course. The hash brown casserole was great. I guess they put sour cream or something in there. I don't know what the secret is. It's good.
Yeah. Emma, what'd you get?
I had pancakes and a sunny side up egg and bacon.
Yeah, did you make it? Your egg challenge?
Yeah.
You did, but a little bit came out.
It kind of broke a little bit.
So Dad won the championship today.
I had the belt. It was always my belt. She just I let her carry my belt from time to time. So.
All right, if you're traveling, Cracker Barrel is a great place. You can eat, you can shop, you can go to the restroom, you can walk, and as you saw, you can camp. You can park.
We see a lot of van lifers and RVers. They just park in the back here and.
Well, and there's 24-hour surveillance. It's safe. It's right off the interstate, so convenient. And then you can eat.
they're not open 24 hours, so.
No, but the signs say 24 hours surveillance.
But I'm just saying you couldn't get up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom.
No.
I did see a water hookup over there, and I bet if you asked real nice, they'd probably, if you needed to fill up a dump tank or like a tank
yeah, if you needed to fill up your water reservoir.
I don't know that necessarily be drinking water, but there's some water over there. So
yeah. All right. Yeah. Good day. All right. Y'all have a good one. It's Super Bowl Sunday.
Yeah.
Who's gonna win?
I don't know. We'll have to see.
Who's playing? I'm just here for the what?
Commercials.
We're just there for the commercials.
Kansas City Chiefs, the Philadelphia Eagles, and we have a friend who likes the Chiefs. So
we'll go for the Chiefs.
We'll root for the Chiefs.
Yeah.
So.
But we're just there for the commercials that has a football game that's played in between.
Also, if you get a chance, it'd be nice if you subscribe to the channel. We've really been growing a lot lately, and we don't really ask much. So if you could
just hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell because we'll be going live. We've got some new things coming up with iNerdya.
Yeah, some got big news. Got a big trip planned.
Yes.
And
so exciting.
So,
all right.
And remember,
iNerdya.